Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use HSL in DaVinci Resolve. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and luminance, representing a powerful color model for precise adjustments. It allows you to target specific colors in your footage without affecting others. DaVinci Resolve provides dedicated HSL tools, primarily the HSL qualifier, which is essential for making these targeted corrections. Understanding these three components, hue, saturation, and luminance, is the first step to mastering advanced color grading techniques and achieving professional results in your projects. To begin using HSL, navigate to the Color page in DaVinci Resolve. Locate the HSL qualifier tool, typically found within the qualifier palette. Your first step is to use the eyedropper tool to select the specific color range you wish to adjust directly from your image. After selecting, you can then fine-tune the hue, saturation, and luminance ranges using the dedicated sliders to precisely isolate your target. Remember to use the highlight button to visualize your selection, ensuring only the desired areas are affected. Once you have an initial selection, it's crucial to refine your HSL mask for a clean result. Utilize the clean black and clean white controls to tighten the edges of your mask, removing any unwanted spill. The despill function is incredibly useful for eliminating color contamination, especially around subjects shot against green screens. Furthermore, adjust the softness control to create a smoother, more natural transition for your mask, preventing harsh lines. These refinement tools are key to achieving seamless and professional-looking color adjustments. With your HSL selection perfectly isolated and refined, you can now apply your desired color corrections. Use the primary color wheels or custom curves to adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of only the selected area. This allows for incredible creative control, such as changing the color of a specific object, enhancing skin tones, or creating unique stylistic looks. HSL is invaluable for secondary color grading, enabling you to make targeted enhancements that elevate the overall visual quality of your footage with precision and artistry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.